Senator Cheese Escudero as presiding officer ng impeachment court. Yes or no?
Well, ang posisyon namin sa Isang Bayan, we prefer Senator Kiko to be the presiding officer. Pangilinan, Kiko Pangilinan.
Pero kailangan ba, Justice, na abogado o mas preferably o preferred na abogado rin naman, no, para makapag-interpolate nga po?
Well, preferably a lawyer, but it's not absolutely required, no?
Tingin nyo kung si Senator Escudero ay, kasi sinasabi na may mga dala-dalahin siyang baggage at yung perception sa kanya ng public noong nakaraang impeachment at syempre, isa rin siya sa nadadawit sa maanumalyang flood control project ay mababahiran o sinasabing tainted itong magiging trial kung siya ang presiding officer.
Well, tama yon. So, just to play safe so that wala nang issue na ganyan, let us get Senator Kiko Pangilinan na lang.
Justice, kahapon ay nagsimula na ng proseso ng impeachment trial dito nga sa pre-trial conference. Ano pong inyong naging pagbasa sa nangyaring proseso kahapon? Lalo't sinasabi ng House Prosecution Panel na tila ampaw ang pre-trial brief ng defense.
Well, we will see. I did not see the pre-trial brief now, pero they finished only one article, but normal naman yan. So I think they will meet again, once or twice pa to finish the pre-trial.
Eto, lagi rin itong tinatanong ng taong bayan, yung kasalukuyang pumapasok ng mga senador, ano yung dapat na conviction threshold sa impeachment trial, sir?
Well, ang posisyon ko dyan, you do not include in determining the quorum or in determining the threshold for conviction the senators who resigned, who died, or who is in jail because of a non-bailable offense. No? So, si Senator Jinggoy, he is detained without bail because of violation of the anti-plunder law. And nakalagay doon sa anti-plunder law, if you are, while the case is pending, and pending na ngayon ang case, the accused shall be suspended from office. Pag suspended ka from office, hindi ka pwede, you cannot exercise any of the functions or powers of that office. For example, nasuspend yung mayor, the mayor steps aside and it's the vice mayor who takes over and exercises all the powers of the mayor. Ang problema lang, wala namang vice senator, wala namang standby. So, then wala talagang papalit. So you do not count 24 pag somebody like Senator Jingo Estrada, he was arrested and without bail for a capital offense and nakalagay sa batas, he shall be suspended. We have to follow the law, mandatory yun. So hindi mo pwede isama yun sa bilang. So ang dyan, less than 16 na kaagad. Legal impediment yan disqualified siya. Bakit mo bilangin?
So anong paraan po o hakbang, proseso ang dapat gawin para nga po maibaba sa 16 ang kinakailangang boto?
Wala na, automatic yan. You just do not include him. So 23 voting members, 2/3 of that is 15.
Maiba naman tayo, sir. Yung ilalatag na mga sabpina dito po sa pag-usad ng paglilitis sa impeachment case ni Vice President Sara Duterte, paano po yung mga sinasabi na halimbawa yung mga sa bangko, yung bank secrecy law, pwede bang magtago ito doon sa sinasabing kailangan ay hindi dapat ilabas ito, Justice?
Wala, hindi nag-a-apply ang bank secrecy of deposit law dahil exception yan eh. Expression eh. It will not apply in cases of impeachment. Impeachment ito eh.
Justice, ang sinasabi ay latagan na talaga ng baraha itong pre-trial conference. So, ibig bang sabihin, wala kang ititirang alas? Wala ka pang itatago bilang iyong legal strategy habang umuusad yung paglilitis?
Well, ang ano dyan, you name all the reserve witnesses, pwede naman yan eh. Yeah. So, yun lang. But you cannot surprise others, no? If you want to introduce a witness who is not in the list made during the pre-trial, you ask the approval of the court. And pag walang objection yung kabila, pwede mo ma-present, no?
Justice, may lumabas sa survey ng Okta Research na 19% lang ng mga Pilipino ang naniniwalang kumbaga walang bias o fair ang magiging hatol ng ating mga senator judges come decision na po ng impeachment trial. Pero alam naman natin ng mga politiko sila, may alliances talaga, may partido. So anong tingin niyo po dito? Kung magiging fair nga ba yung kanilang mga desisyon?
Well, I always hope that they will be fair. No, we have to give them the benefit of the doubt. Hindi pa naman natin nakita. Let's observe it during the trial. Yung sa survey naman, hindi pa rin nila nakita eh. So I think premature yun, no? But papalit yan kung makita nila na, uy, ano pala, fair pala. Pag tinawag lahat ng mga testigo, sinabi na yung mga bank records, tapos prinisenta yung bank official mag-testify, nobody can complain pag everybody was allowed to testify.
Justice, ano ang posibleng maging balakid, no, bago pa man o habang isinasagawa na ang paglilitis kay VP Sara Duterte?
Can you repeat that?
Ano po yung mga posibleng maging balakid? Kasi kumbaga sa ating legal court, pwedeng mag-motion to dismiss bago pa man, di ba? O mag-uumpisa pa lang yung trial. So dito po sa impeachment trial, ano yung possible na maging delaying tactic, no, para hindi matuloy o ma-delay ang trial?
Well, klaro naman that the answer is actually a motion to dismiss, no? And they were hoping that under the leadership of Senator Cayetano, i-grant yan kasi yung motions are decided by just a majority, simple majority. Pero iba na eh. There is another leadership now. At saka iba na yung majority. So yung plano nila to dismiss it on a motion to dismiss, to grant that motion, I don't think that will happen anymore, no? So, tuloy na ito. Kasi ang sa Ligang Batas naman, nakalagay doon, when the Senate receives the articles of impeachment, trial shall proceed forthwith. So, trial. Hindi pwede yung motion to dismiss dahil hindi naman trial yan. So, they can only do that pag they are in leadership, no? In the leadership of Cayetano. But iba na ngayon, so hindi na nila magagawa yon. So ito, tuloy talaga ang trial.